morning, Color Bees, and welcome to the Buzz. My name is Cooper.
And my name is Michaela. Will everyone please pause for one moment of silence? And while you're quiet, think about things that are good, things that are right, and ways to make a difference.
Please stand for the pledge and school motto.
Tuesday, Election Day, November 8th. Today, people all across the country will cast their vote to see who will become our next president, either Donald Trump or Hillary Clinton. The weather is a high of 88 and a low of 52, and a 40% chance of rain.
Now it's time for today's birthdays. Happy birthday goes out to the following bees: Daisha Barton, and a special happy birthday goes out to our PACE teacher, Miss Fern. Please go to the office after announcements for your special birthday treat.
Today for lunch we'll be having chicken drummies, lima beans, sweet potatoes, cornbread, and fruit. Tomorrow for breakfast we are having breakfast pizza, grits, fruit, juice, and milk. Let's talk turkey, calling all Gorgeous Gobblers for the 4th annual Gorgeous Gobbler contest. Turkeys are due to the Media Center November 15th at 3 p.m. Let your imaginations run wild.
Are you interested in receiving a free yearbook? Participate in our Krispy Kreme donut fundraiser. Sell just 15 certificates and get a free yearbook. Sell 10 certificates and get a yearbook half price. The last day to turn in donut orders and money will be Friday, November 18th.
Over to Miss Shropshire.
Good morning and happy Tuesday, Election Day. As many of you rode to school this morning on school buses and in cars, you saw long lines of voters exercising our constitutional right to cast our ballot for the candidate or the policies and principles that we believe in. Voting is a personal and private thing. I would like to say to all the boys and girls, there's one question you may not ask an adult. You may not ask an adult, who did you vote for? Thus the reason why when you go into the voting booth, it's private. No one sees who you cast your ballot for because that is personal. However, the one thing you may ask adults is, did you vote? Because I do think it's important that everyone take the time today, and the lines will be long, and it may even rain. After 42 days, we finally have a little bit of rain. But most importantly today is that we live in a wonderful land where we are free and we have the right to vote. No one can take that away from us. We live in a democracy. And for that today, I am thankful. I am proud to live in the United States of America, land of the free because of the brave. Speaking of rules and rights and responsibilities, in our school, it's a community somewhat like our nation, a smaller group of people governed by rules and principles. We've been looking at Ron Clark from the Ron Clark Academy, and I hope that somewhere you've Googled Ron Clark Academy. It's one of the coolest schools around. And a very unique school that can't exist in every situation and in every school building, but parts of what he does can come to us. The way he began his school and his classroom were with the 55 essential rules critical not only to success in school, but success in life. So we've gone over rule number 1, which was, when responding to any adult, answer with yes, ma'am, or no, sir. We've talked about rule number 2, make eye contact. That means look people in the eye when you're speaking to them. And today is rule number 3, which to me is so much a part of building community within your classroom. If someone in your class wins a game or does something well, take the time to congratulate that person. When we celebrate the success of others, we celebrate our own success for being big enough and strong enough to recognize the goodness in other people. Because when we do that, the goodness in ourselves shines through. I'm going to turn it over to the Buzz crew in just a moment for our Tuesday trivia. But I do want to remind you today more than any day, I think it's important to remember that we're given the choice every day we open our eyes to make it a great day or not. I challenge you today to make today a terrific Tuesday. Over to you, Buzz crew.
And we have another trivia question about the election. Today's trivia question is, why is the presidential election held in the month of November? The first class to email Ms. Coggin with the correct answer will get a shout out on tomorrow's Buzz.
Thank you for joining us today, and make sure you tune in every day at 8:15 to hear the latest buzz at Collier Elementary. Have an unbelievable day.